Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow WhatsApp access to your camera. Whether you're looking to send photos, record videos, or make video calls, enabling this permission is essential. Let's get started. First, open your Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll manage all app permissions. Once inside, look for the section labeled Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. Tap on it to view a list of installed applications. Next, scroll through the list and find WhatsApp. If you have many apps installed, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly locate WhatsApp. Once you've found it, tap on it to open its settings. Inside WhatsApp's settings menu, look for an option called Permissions. Tap on it to see all the permissions WhatsApp requires, such as access to your camera, microphone, and contacts. From here, locate Camera in the list. Now, tap on Camera and select Allow Only while using the app. This ensures that WhatsApp can access your camera only when you're actively using the app, providing both functionality and privacy. That's it. You've successfully enabled camera access for WhatsApp. You can now return to the app and test it out by taking a photo, recording a video, or starting a video call. If everything is set correctly, WhatsApp will work seamlessly with your camera. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance. Have a great day.